irritation is so often the reason you feel so completely overwhelmed. So if I ask myself that question of what caused my irritation today, it was simply the inconsideration that I was subjected to by people not having the courtesy to just answer a simple message. And then expecting me to deliver a result when they haven't provided me with the information that will empower me to deliver the result. Now, how often do you experience that in your own life, in your daily exchanges with people in a commercial environment, where people have an expectation of you to deliver a result when they haven't actually contributed their part of the result? Then we have an expectation because they have an expectation of you, and then very often that expectation becomes a judgment based on something that I was never empowered with in the first place. So if I have an expectation that's projected onto me and I have this situation and irritation arises from these expectations not being met, reflect on it and always remember your own worth in the situation. Was it realistic or not? Can you reframe this in a more balanced way? Is it going to take a few moments to explain and to express what needs or desires are being blocked or unfulfilled in this moment that I need to feel so deeply irritated? Because an irritation is a sign that some need in your life, whether it's physical, emotional, psychological, that need was not met. And that irritation arises from the feeling that you lacking that in your life right now. Something is lacking and it's missing, and you feel upset and irritated by it. So also look at yourself. How do you physically feel when you are irritated? What happens to you? Check in with your body. What is your body telling you? Is there tightness? Is there tension, especially in these trapezius muscles here on our shoulders? Is there a sense of restlessness? You jump up from your desk, you move away, you come back again, you can't find your rhythm. Where do you feel it most strongly? Because it's necessary for you to know this so that you can identify what's happening beneath the surface. Because it's beneath the surface that most of our life takes place.